Rainy season. Rainy season is a beautiful season. It comes after summer season. It begins in June and ends in September. It brings relief from the heat for everyone. It is also called the monsoon season. The sky looks cloudy in this season. The environment looks green and beautiful. Sometimes rainbow in sea in the sky. Streets and roads become muddy. Ponds and rivers become filled with water. Little grasses and plants grow everywhere. It is a very important season for farmers. They start sowing seeds for agriculture. This season brings a lot of changes in nature. This season cleans environment from pollution. Children float paper boats in the water. We use umbrellas and raincoats to go out. We celebrate many festivals during this season. People love getting wet in the rain. I like this season very much. Thank you.